Hand building, crafting creativity with your hands. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and creative topic, hand building. This term is often used in arts and crafts, particularly in pottery and ceramics. Let's explore what hand building means, its significance, and how it's done. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about arts and crafts, this video will provide you with useful insights. Hand building is a technique used in creating pottery and ceramic objects. It involves shaping clay with your hands and simple tools, without the use of a potter's wheel. This ancient method allows for a personal touch and a deep connection with the material. Hand building includes techniques like pinching, coiling, and slab building. Each technique offers a unique way to manipulate clay and create beautiful objects. Pinching. Pinching is the simplest form of hand building. It involves forming clay into a desired shape by pressing and pinching with your fingers. This technique is ideal for making small pots or decorative items. Coiling. Coiling involves rolling out long, snake-like strands of clay and stacking them to build the walls of a pot. This method is great for larger vessels and allows for more intricate designs. Slab building. In slab building, clay is rolled into flat sheets or slabs. These slabs are then cut and joined to create various forms. It's a versatile technique, suitable for making both symmetrical and asymmetrical objects. Hand building is not just about creating pottery, it's a form of expression and connection. It allows artists to express creativity and develop fine motor skills. It's also a therapeutic process, helping individuals relax and focus. For learners of English, understanding such cultural and artistic concepts can enrich vocabulary and cultural knowledge. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of hand building and its techniques. Whether you're learning English or exploring new hobbies, hand building offers a wonderful way to express creativity and learn something new. Keep practicing your English, and maybe try your hand at pottery too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.